Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we'll look at how we can connect to this Debian machine from our Windows 11 machine. Now we'll be using SSH. Now we have SSH as an inbuilt client on the Windows 11 device. So on the Windows 11 device we can use the command prompt or PowerShell. Now on the Debian machine we just need to make sure that we have SSH installed and it's active and running. I'm just gonna open the terminal. And let's just check the version. We'll do cat etc OS release here. So we're running version 13 of Debian. And to check if we have SSH installed, we'll do which SSH. And we do have it installed. Now, in case you don't have it installed, the command to install it is sudo apt install open SSH-server. And to check the status of SSH, we use sudo system ctl status SSH. So it's enabled, it's active and running. Okay. Now if it wasn't running, you can start the services using sudo system ctl start SSH to enable the services. That way they can start. It can start once you boot. Whenever you boot the machine, you can do enable SSH. Okay. Lastly, we need the IP address command, and our IP address is 192.168.1.174. Now we can go on to the Windows 11 machine and try and SSH back to this machine. So I'm gonna go to this Windows 11 machine, and like I said, we can use PowerShell or the command prompt. Let me open PowerShell. And first thing I'll do is I'll try and see if I can ping that machine. I'll ping 192.168.1.174 and I can ping it. Now to SSH the Debian machine, we'll use SSH, then the user name, @ the IP address 192.168.1.174. Put in our password, and I'm logged in. I can do W, and as you can see, I'm SSH'd into the Debian machine. So that's all for this video. That's how you can SSH, or that's how you can connect remotely to your Debian machine from your Windows 11 using SSH. I hope this information has been helpful. I'll catch you in my next video. Thanks. Bye.